What's up, YouTube family? So as you guys can see from the title and thumbnail, we are taking a Gen 2 out in this snowstorm. As you guys can tell, it is not that bad, but if you have a rear wheel drive, you know this little bit of snow could do some damage. It's probably like 3 inches, probably not even. We shoveled some of the snow already. I'm gonna go meet up with my guy VQ Unknown. We're gonna hit the parking lots, get a little donuts in for y'all. And I'm gonna just take y'all on a ride with me and show y'all whether or not these cars are bad in this type of weather or are they drivable. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this little cold start. I'm gonna start wiping the snow down and go meet up with my boy.
Yeah, get into it.
Just do where the windows at. Chat, are we cooked or what?
How we cook? I mean, you gotta improvise.
I think it's a wrap. It'll be fine, right?
Yeah, it's a vet, bro.
I ran my own car, so very nice to see you. All this snow about to be flying off. Oh man, this is a bad block. I need to fix the brightness on this joint. Let me slow the fuck down. Let me see how it is if I slam the brakes. Oh, that thing just keep going. Oh, that shit ain't moving. Snow. Let's see how bad it turns. Oh, it turns pretty accurate. I mean, I am going slow as shit though. Yo, chat, I hope the snow don't take my lip. Damn, I should have cleaned it off the hood.
Clean off the hood.
Yeah.
Birdie by, get a little picture in. Damn, let it damn. Oh. Good snow. I'm in the middle of the street. I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get to the spot.
This all ice.
It's all ice.
St. John.
Damn, all ice. Oh, well, he's sliding that jump. He's sliding that jump. Oh, he's sliding that jump. Hit Boney. Hit Boney. Hit Boney. Keep going. Snapping. Oh, alright. I'll fuck. Oh, alright. That's RT. Birdie here in the chat.
Oh my god. Yo, they should pull your bumper off.
Yeah, I know. Static.
Static shit.
Static shit, my fault.
Y'all scared to drive this, y'all?
No, I'm
I'm scared of the fence right now.
Oh,
Brody already spinning. I mean, ain't getting no traction. Damn! That shit hit me in my face. Dio over the dirty. Dio.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He's a takeover boy now, chat. Damn, that joint sound kind of nice. Oh, watch the SRT ski. I like how it's so quiet. Like cops wouldn't even know if you was doing donuts. Roll back. Yeah, my young boy about to get right. Come on. Whoa. That shit a little bit start going towards his car. I had to hold the car. That just felt like your man. Yeah, I got the YN driving. I got a YN driving. Oh shit. He better than Joe. I ain't gonna lie, he better than Joe. Good rollback. Come on, see, that's that piss shit, bro. He see us sliding over here and still come over here. Shit still sliding. He got you. He said, get active. Roll back. Dial. Yeah, talk to him. Talk to him. Let's get out of here. Good little boost shot. I might need the boost too. Oh, he bendy. Made it out of there. Damn.
Rolling.
Overall, it's not a bad car for the snow. But is it scary to drive? Hell yeah. Alright guys, I didn't realize that my camera mode was on D-Log. So if you see a color difference in the video, you know why. As you guys can see, we about to ride the bikes. Try to put the cars up, bring the bikes out. Yeah. You're finna call the cops on these. You're finna call the cops on these. Right, YouTube, we're gonna end the video right here. If you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next video.